Am I weird? Welcome back, my spooky little beans. How are you doing? So today we're talking about Distracted Haunted House in Bowling Green, Ohio, and how they invited me, little me, to come out and capture behind the scenes and their road to Halloween and their off-season events and how a zombie is made and all this cool stuff. And oh my god, I just hit my mic to my face. I was invited. Me. Okay, so how this works is I've gotten footage. I'm gonna edit it. It's so cool. This is such an honor. And as one of my first videos, we covered Zombie Kingpin, which we actually filmed at the Maumee Bay Brewing Company. And what Zombie Kingpin is a game. It's one of their off-season events that they're doing. I got to see how they do a zombie and how they make their own footage along with playing Zombie Kingpin myself. And I've learned two things: that I'm highly competitive, which we kind of knew, and that I suck at sports, which also surprised no one. How Zombie Kingpin works is you have two boards set up and there's a chain connecting kind of the two groups of people. So you usually want to have even one, so you save 3 people on each side, 2 different teams, and your goal is to throw a football or a zombie head to the opposing side and try to knock down as many pins that are set up on their board as possible. And say you knock down 4 pins, the zombie's going to march 4 steps towards the opposing team. There's actually little markers, and once they hit a number of markers and they can't move any further, they're going to take one of the 3 special pins away from that team. You only have 3. Once you lose all 3 special pins, it is game over. But also, say they move 3, but then the opposing team then scores 4, but that zombie's gonna now march back to them. So it's gonna the zombie's gonna go back and forth and possibly insulting you or scaring you along the way. So I really hope that you enjoy this video as much as I did. I have bleeped out, I hope, all of the cursing for the sake of YouTube and everyone watching. And I'm sorry you have to see just how overconfident and bad I am at sports related things. Enjoy the footage. Hi, I'm Skeleton Belle, and I've been asked by Distracted Haunted House to do some zombie spotting. There's still hope. There still haven't hit a single one yet, but there's still hope.
This is it.
Come on, we're still in. You got this. No! Yes!
Don't get too
And
confident.
suddenly we're winning. As long as you don't look at the pins. That's her throw.
Who can say we're
This chain's coming off, okay?